Good morning, students. First of all, we'll write these symbols in a numeral form. So for this, we have to understand that what the number written. First of all, I want to tell you the bar means 5, dot one dot means one dot only, and the cell means 0. So firstly, she is writing how what number is written, and in the Mayan number system, it is starting from the vertical downside. So firstly, the first number is multiplied by 1, second number is multiplied by 20, and third number is multiplied by 20 into 18, and the next number will be multiplied by 20 square into 18, and the again next number will be 20 cube into 18, and last one number 20 power 4 into 18, and similarly it will be continue if number is so long. So after that, whatever the number is written, we have to multiply all the numbers. So like that, firstly, she is multiplying the numbers, and these are the students. They are
Done.
also trying to write the numbers. So
We'll check.
firstly,
We'll
she
check.
multiplied this number 20 square, sorry 20 power 4 into 18. She got one number 2884 times 0, and after that she will multiply this number by 8, and she will write the answer also. And you can see one of our students, Sai Nishant, has done this method, and she's also multiplying one by one from the downside. You can see 7200 into 5 and 3600, sorry 36,000. Similarly, she'll multiply 7 into 144,000. So this is the answer. And similarly, we'll multiply 28 lakh 80,000 into 8. Why 8? Because one bar is there and three dots are there. So 5 plus 3, 8. And this multiply will be 2304 and 4 times 0. Now she will add all these numbers, and whatever the answer will come, that is the correct answer. And this is called the Mayan number system, and it's also called base 20 system, because in this system we are using base 20. So not particularly properly base 20 system, but we can say that starting from 1, 20 and 20 square into 18, and similarly it's going on. Okay, and now you can see that she has completed all the calculations. Now she is adding these numbers. Okay, and for more information you can also check our description. In description also properly it is given how this number we can write, and other things you can listen from her also. So if you like my video, please share it and subscribe it.
This system is called Mayan number system.